The bakery awoke before the sun. Ravi loved that smell. It was the smell of warm dough, sweet and yeasty. He would wake up to his father already kneading. His father's hands moved with a rhythmic grace. Ravi learned by watching. He learned that baking was more than just a job. It was about passion and dedication. Ravi would help his father. He would carry trays of bread. He would arrange them on the wooden shelves. He saw the joy in his father's eyes when a customer smiled. The taste of freshly baked bread was a simple pleasure, yet it brought so much happiness. Ravi dreamed of a bigger bakery. He wanted to share his father's recipes with the world. He saw a future filled with the aroma of success. His father always said, "Hard work is the yeast that makes dreams rise." Ravi held on to those words. The city was a whirlwind of noise and activity. It was overwhelming at first. But Ravi was determined. He found a small room to rent. It was basic but clean. He started working at a local bakery. The work was long and tiring, but Ravi never complained. He learned new techniques. He observed the city's tastes. Ravi never forgot his roots. He missed his father and the little bakery. But he knew this was a stepping stone. He saved every penny he could. He knew he needed capital. He had a dream to chase. One day he saw a vacant stall in a bustling market. It was perfect. A wave of hope washed over him. This was his chance. He would name it Ravi's Breads. His heart beat with excitement and a touch of fear. The stall was small, just a counter and an oven, but it gleamed with Ravi's hopes and dreams. He baked through the night, his heart filled with anticipation. The next morning the market buzzed with activity. Ravi arranged his breads, each one a testament to his father's legacy. The first sale was a humble loaf of bread, but with it Ravi felt a surge of accomplishment. Slowly customers trickled in. They were drawn by the aroma and the rustic charm of the stall. Ravi greeted each customer with a warm smile and genuine passion. Word of mouth spread. People appreciated the freshness, the taste of home. The lines grew longer. Ravi worked tirelessly, fueled by the growing popularity of his breads. His small stall was becoming a haven for those seeking a taste of authenticity. Ravi never compromised on quality. He used the finest ingredients, just like his father taught him. He poured his heart into every loaf, every roll, every croissant. His customers tasted the difference. They tasted the love, the dedication, the honesty. Reviews started pouring in. Ravi's Breads, a taste of home, one read. Another praised the unmatched freshness and flavor. Ravi treasured each review. They were a testament to his hard work. He wasn't just selling bread, he was selling an experience that resonated with those seeking genuine, wholesome goodness. Ravi understood the power of connection. He treated every customer with respect and warmth, making them feel valued and appreciated. Success brought new opportunities. Ravi expanded his stall. He hired assistants, training them with the same care his father had shown him. He opened more branches, each one upholding the values of quality and authenticity. His breads, once a local favorite, were now gracing tables across the city. Despite his growing success, Ravi remained grounded. He never forgot his roots, the scent of his father's bakery, the lessons learned at dawn. The quality of his bread remained his top priority. His father's words echoed in his ears. Consistency is the key to lasting success. And consistent he was in his dedication, his work ethic, his commitment to providing his customers with the best. News of Ravi's success reached his village. One day, he received a visit that filled his heart with immeasurable joy. His father, his mentor, his inspiration, stood at the entrance of his bustling bakery. Tears welled up in the old baker's eyes, tears of pride and joy. He embraced his son, the aroma of freshly baked bread filling the air around them. It was the same aroma that had filled their lives, now stronger, more potent, a testament to Ravi's journey. His father, with trembling hands, held a loaf of bread. It was a simple gesture, yet it spoke volumes. He took a bite, savoring the familiar taste, the taste of his son's success, the taste of fulfilled dreams. In that moment, words were unnecessary. The love, the pride, the fulfillment, it was all there in the shared silence, in the aroma of their shared passion. Ravi's breads became a national brand. From a small stall to a chain of bakeries, his journey was an inspiration. He had achieved what he set out to do. He shared his father's legacy with the world, but more importantly, he stayed true to himself. The aroma of his breads wasn't just about flour and yeast. It was the aroma of hard work, determination, and unwavering belief. It was the sweet smell of success, baked to perfection with the ingredients of humility and gratitude. Ravi never forgot the people who helped him along the way. He supported local farmers, ensuring fair prices for quality ingredients. He provided opportunities to aspiring bakers, sharing his knowledge and experience. Ravi's story wasn't just about bread, it was a recipe for life. It taught that success wasn't a destination, but a journey. It was about perseverance, about staying true to your roots, about never compromising on quality. It was about the power of dreams, kneaded with hard work and baked with passion. Ravi became a role model. He proved that with dedication and a good heart, even the simplest of dreams could rise and touch the sky. His story resonated with people because it was a story of hope, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, success was possible. He showed that success was sweeter when shared, when it uplifted others, when it gave back to the community. His journey embodied the spirit of entrepreneurship, the courage to dream big and the resilience to turn those dreams into reality. Ravi's story continues to inspire. It reminds us that every great endeavor starts with a single step, a dream, a belief. It teaches us that success is not a matter of luck, but of unwavering dedication, hard work, and a heart filled with passion. Like the warm, comforting aroma of freshly baked bread, Ravi's story fills us with hope, reminding us that anything is possible if we dare to dream and strive to make those dreams a reality. His journey from dough to dynasty is a testament to the human spirit's ability to rise above challenges and achieve greatness. And so the next time you savor the taste of freshly baked bread, remember Ravi's story. Let it remind you that the recipe for success is within each of us, waiting to be discovered, kneaded with our efforts and baked with our dreams.